Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in today. I'm going to talk to you today about some really important steps that we need you to take in PCR to make sure that your student and your child's information is all up to date in terms of their health and medical information. So the first thing that you are going to do is go to our website, mulgrave.com, and log in to the community login. You'll be asked to put in your username and password. From there, you can go down the page and click on the big blue PCR button. Once you get into PCR, you'll see that you've got these three tabs across the top under the Mulgrave logo. First of all, go to the Student tab, where you'll see all the information for your children. If you have more than one child, you'll toggle them here. And what you want to do is go over to the Health Issues page. Now, on this page, this is where we're collecting everything about health alerts and allergies, so that anytime we work with a vendor or provider, we can just hand off that information and you don't have to fill this information in over and over, and you can also keep it up to date if things change with your child's conditions. So you can pop in here and include things like your last tetanus shot, which is really important, especially if we've got kids going out into the great outdoors and you never know when those things may be needed. As well, you can put in any information here about different medical alerts, as well as allergies. Now, if there aren't any allergies, please be sure to click this No Allergies to Report button so that we know that you have been in the form and have actually completed it. Now, you will scroll a little bit. Like most things here at Mulgrave, we're very thorough, so there are all kinds of things that you can pick from here. And we're still scrolling. And then we get to the other medical conditions. Again, if you don't have any other medical conditions to report, please check that button off so that we know that you have done that with knowledge and have gone through this form. Now, if we have missed something on that very lengthy list, you can include it here. Just type it into this field if there are any other medical issues that you want us to be aware of. This is also the field that you can use for non-allergy related dietary restrictions. So if your child eats gluten-free or vegan or doesn't eat something like pork, do enter that here as well, and we'll be really mindful of that. Make sure that you click Save at the bottom to save that long list of check boxes that you have been through. So that's health issues. Now go back up to the top, up to the family profile, and this is where you'll complete the medical info. So over on the left here, click off medical info, and you can enter your doctor and dentist names here. Again, really important if we have students out and about, or if we can't reach you immediately, if there ever is an incident, we can go right to the medical professionals that they work with the most and are most familiar with your child. Again, be sure to save what you have entered here. Now that you're in PCR, this is a really great opportunity to also make sure that your information is all up to date. So parent 1, parent 2 as applicable, make sure that your phone numbers are all up to date, as well as emergency contacts. You can add up to 6 emergency contacts here. Make sure you enter first name, last name, as well as select a relationship from the drop-down box. And you can also say whether you authorize them to pick up and add some phone numbers. Again, make sure that you save so that all of that information goes into the system. And that's about it. Thank you so much for taking the few minutes to do this. Like we say, it's really critically important to make sure that we're always mindful of what it is that your child needs, and if they need any special attention on anything, that we're able to give that to them. And as we also say, this has really increased our efficiency moving forward. So it allows us to keep our records all in one place and has really cut down on the administrative time needed to collect forms and distribute forms and make sure that everything is checked off on paper and then entered into systems. So thanks so much for your cooperation, and have a great day.